Have you ever opened your car door and felt like you just unlocked a portable oven? Yeah, same. All right, so a few cool things about this. As you can see, it comes with a carrying bag, which is really, really nice. It's surprisingly lightweight. Like this thing weighs almost nothing. It's made of 3-layer construction, UV protection, and heat insulation. And what I like about it is that it folds up really, really nicely, so it can just get stored away. Oh, that's really cool and really bright. Blinding myself here. I hope you can see this. There's a cutout for the camera sensor right there, so this is like a perfect fit for the Tesla. The closest comparison I have to this is this sunshade that came from my sister, and this is, well, first of all, not made for the Tesla, and much wider, shorter, and thinner. Like this thing literally feels like the
bubble wrap.
Yeah. It basically feels like bubble wrap. And then there's no comparison. These things are just literally aluminum foil. But you can do this with them. I expected more. All right, let's put it in and see how it looks. All right, so now we're in the car. Outside it is currently 50 degrees. Inside the car it's 53 degrees, but the sun is right there and it makes it really warm and gross in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on, see how easy it is, and then compare it, how it feels and how it looks, to the other two sunshades that we have. So the reflective side goes out.
Obviously.
And the way we want to put this is the bottom of it, we want to make sure it's hitting the base. So push it down as far as it goes. Then we lift it up to cover here.
It's a little ironing out. It's okay.
Yeah, but already huge difference. And according to the steps, you're supposed to bring these up here to just kind of help it hold in. But that took, what, 10 seconds?
Yeah.
And I love the fit. Like, completely darkens the entire interior. And other than this right here, I like it. It covers the entire front windshield and it's beautiful. Let's compare it to the one from my sister now. And then, you know, to take it off, just pull this out.
God, that's blinding.
Well, yeah, I know. It's, the sun sucks.
It is a deadly laser.
There we go. That folds up nice and neat. And we just toss it to the back. Now, the one with my sisters, the butterflies go on the outside.
Do they?
Yeah.
Oh, that makes sense, because decorative.
Right.
Oh, man.
Bro, not even close.
I basically gotta, like, fold
Yeah,
it
I was gonna
on
say.
this side, but then it's too short to stay. That doesn't... Does this keep it up?
No, because it's too short. So then you can see it on the bottom down there. And if you want to cover the bottom, it loosens up from the top. I mean, clear winner. The new one,
It was much
the
better.
Pigenius, works way better than this one. So now, let's try the other ones that we've been using for the last 10 years. So those we're used to.
And they go like this?
Yep. I get one, you get one.
Or is it the other way? The other way? Because it's a taller
Yeah.
window?
Yeah, taller windshield.
Oops.
I got mine in.
Boom.
Ta-da! It still lets a lot of light in.
It does.
It doesn't give you the full coverage. I mean, you can see over in this corner, that corner, up here, like, it does let a lot of sun in. So now let's compare it again to the Pigenius.
I'll let you do that because I'm terrible at it.
It's literally like a plastic bag.
Kind of.
Again, it's super easy to put in. Slide to the bottom first. Lift up.
And then boom.
Oh my God. There's zero light bleed going through.
I mean, there is on my side, but that's just because I'm not good at this. Like, obviously, I've got that corner a little wonky. But
even then, like, that, you still get so much more coverage on this versus the other two that we've been using.
oh yeah.
Now, keep in mind, this sunshade was made custom fit for my 2021 Tesla Model 3. And as long as you have the right year, make, and model for your vehicle, you're sure to get a custom fit sunshade that fits your vehicle as well.
I can definitely feel like the temperature difference between this one and the other two, because the old one that we've been using for 10 years has been like, you still get in the car and it's still hot. It's just your seats aren't on fire because they're not sitting in the sun. But like, there's a genuine temperature difference up here. Like, I don't feel hot.
You can feel the heat. Like, you stick your hand in here and it's huge. Sun's scary, yo. So, all right, pros and cons. Pros, it fits great, it feels premium, it cuts heat, and it folds up easily. Cons? Well, it's not the cheapest option out there, but if you're serious about protecting your car, it's totally worth the investment. If you want to check one out for yourself, make sure to visit the link down in the description below and use promo code TTEOJ10 for 10% off your purchase. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, we'll see you in the next one. Peace.